If you've ever wondered why you can feel so clear and grounded and intuitive and so deeply connected to yourself in some moments, and then have all of that become surprisingly difficult to access when life gets messy, then you're going to understand what we talk about here. I'm Lisa DePamphilis, and this question became very personal for me because I spent years learning about myself. I meditated, I journaled, I studied spirituality, relationships, the nervous system, human behavior, and so on. And when I had enough quiet and space around me, I could feel incredibly connected to myself. I knew what I believed, I could hear my intuition, I knew what mattered to me. And then there was real life, right? A difficult conversation or feeling misunderstood, someone being disappointed in me, plans changing, relationships getting messy. And then suddenly I couldn't always access the woman I knew myself to be. Where did that wisdom go? Where did that intuition go? And for a long time, I thought I needed more healing or better communication or stronger boundaries, more balance, or maybe more time alone. But eventually I realized something that changed the way I understood all of it. I hadn't lost myself. I lost access to myself. And that's the conversation we're having here. What actually helps us stay connected to ourselves in the middle of real life. Not just when we're meditating, not just when we're journaling and being reflective, not just when everything around us supports that connection, but in the conversation, in the relationship, in the uncertainty, in the mess. And we'll talk about nervous system protection, self-trust, relationships, spirituality, capacity, and what it means for presence to become something we can actually live and embody. If this sounds familiar, I would love for you to start with my free training, The Missing Piece in Personal Growth. It's about 20 minutes, and I've created a companion journal to go with it that's really good. So you'll find the link right here on my channel. I'm Lisa, and I'm so glad you're here.